You had the entire year, 12 whole months, and yet it feels like you blinked and suddenly the calendar flipped. Because let's be real, you've been trying to glow up since 2022. Every year you make lists, resolutions, mood boards, promising yourself, this is my year. And then, boom, life happens. Another November. Another I'll restart tomorrow. But here's the plot twist. The year isn't over. Not yet. There is still time. Time to shift, to reset, to rewrite the ending of 2025. Time to walk into 2026, not as the same version of you who kept waiting, but as the version who finally showed up. So in this video, we're not doing a cute glow up. We're doing a real one. The kind that changes your habits, your mindset, your discipline, and your energy. The kind that people notice. The kind that you notice. Let's begin. 1. Clean your space, reset your environment. Before you glow up, your space has to. Because the truth is simple, you cannot transform in the same environment that drained you. Look around your room. The clothes on the chair. The messy desk. The random things lying around. This is the environment you've been trying to glow up in. And it's holding you back. So today, start with a realistic reset. Clean your room properly. Clear your desk. Throw out the unnecessary stuff you've been avoiding for months. Then do a quick wardrobe declutter. Keep the clothes you actually wear, and the ones that match who you want to become in 2026. Let go of everything that doesn't fit your lifestyle or your vibe anymore. And finally, do a small room makeover. Nothing expensive, nothing dramatic. Just tiny changes that make your space feel fresh and motivating. Change your bedsheet. Add a simple lamp. Rearrange your desk, or include one decor piece that reflects your vibe. When your space feels clean and calm, you automatically feel more focused and in control. This is the foundation of your glow up.
2. Skincare. Your skin is the first thing people notice, and the first thing you see in the mirror. So treat it with a little more care. Start with the basics. Wash your face morning and night, moisturize, and don't skip sunscreen. Add a weekly exfoliator. Gentle ones like coffee plus honey or rice flour plus yogurt work wonders. Then, pick a face mask that matches your skin's needs. For glow, honey plus coffee. For acne, neem plus yogurt. For brightening, turmeric plus milk. For hydration, aloe vera plus rose water. Do a simple at-home facial once a week. Steam your face for a couple of minutes to open your pores. Exfoliate gently. Apply a mask that suits your skin, and finish with a good moisturizer. It keeps your skin fresh and renewed. Take a few minutes to clean up your eyebrows, trim, shape, and brush them. Exfoliate your lips with sugar plus honey, and apply a thick balm. And above everything, sleep. Your skin repairs itself at night, and no product can replace that. 3. Hair. Healthy hair instantly makes you look more put together. So start with your roots, literally. Give yourself a proper scalp massage with oil once or twice a week. It boosts blood flow and strengthens your hair. Use rosemary water as a rinse for growth. It actually works when used regularly. Try simple home hair masks. Aloe vera plus curd for smoothness. Egg plus coconut oil for strength. Wash your hair 2-3 times a week and avoid overwashing. It strips your natural oils. Trim your split ends and choose a haircut that suits your face shape. It changes your whole vibe. 4. Body care. Your glow up isn't complete if your body feels neglected. Start with a proper scrub once or twice a week. Sugar plus coconut oil, coffee plus olive oil, or salt plus honey all work beautifully. Clean your underarms well, exfoliate them, and apply a simple brightening mask like potato juice plus rice flour, and avoid harsh deodorants. It makes a huge difference when done regularly. Clean your belly button. Yes, it matters more than you think. Clean it gently with oil and a cotton swab. Most people forget this. Trim your nails, moisturize your hands, do a mini pedicure at home, a light nude polish always looks clean, and soften your feet with a little petroleum jelly overnight. After showering, lock everything in with lotion or body oil. Your skin deserves to feel soft, not tired. Bonus tiny habits. Apply Vaseline on wrists and ankles. Always moisturize after showers. Keep a small hand cream in your bag. 5. Smell fresh. Smelling good is part of your identity. It's the quiet glow people remember. Take a proper shower, scrub the key areas: neck, behind ears, armpits, chest, and feet. Wear freshly washed clothes. If you want an extra boost, layer your scent: lotion, body mist, to perfume. You don't need expensive fragrances, you need to smell clean. Keep a mini fresh kit in your bag: wipes, a small mist, chewing gum. It keeps you confident all day. A fresh scent is a silent glow up. 6. Mindset and physical glow up. Your mind and body shape your energy more than anything. Move your body daily. Even 15 minutes counts. Fix your posture, sleep well, and hydrate like it's part of your lifestyle. Eat food that actually makes you feel alive, not drained. For your mind, journal your thoughts, your goals, your habits. Even a few sentences build clarity. Meditate for 5 minutes to reset your brain. Start talking to yourself kindly. Your self-talk becomes your reality. A glow up is 50% how you look and 50% how you think. The year isn't over. Your story isn't over. And your glow up is only just beginning. 2026 is yours. Start becoming the version of you that would be proud to meet.